Number 1. Baratza Encore Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. Getting into coffee can feel like a science experiment gone wrong until you encounter the Baratza Encore Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. Known for its approachable design, this grinder is tailored for newbies transitioning from pre-ground to whole beans. With an arsenal of 40 grind settings, it may initially appear daunting. However, getting the coarseness right for your brew type will soon become second nature. Its intuitive interface features an on-off switch for continuous grinding and a single pulse button for short bursts. This means you can easily produce enough grounds for just one cup or a whole group without fuss. No need to worry if you're just making morning joe or afternoon cappuccino. Either way, you're covered. Pro-level grinding at a beginner's ease sets Encore apart from similar models. You will appreciate its high-torque motor, designed to work effortlessly, even over extended grinding times. The flexible grind settings allow you to experiment without frustration, ultimately honing your barista skills. The relatively low capacity means more frequent refills, which I actually enjoyed as an opportunity to try different beans. The 40 grind settings also make it versatile. You can dial in the perfect grind for your particular brew method, whether that's a French press or a single cup pour over. Plus, the Encore has a sleek design that will complement any kitchen. While the lower capacity might seem like a downside, it's an excellent reason to keep your coffee beans fresh and experiment with new flavors more often. The Baratza Encore proves more than worthy of its spot on your counter, even compared to more expensive options. If you crave precision and ease in your coffee-making ritual, this grinder is worth your consideration. Try it and elevate every cup of coffee you brew.